Back in 2019, before we invested in Biesse machines, the biggest challenge we had was highly skilled people. We noticed that, look, these people aren't out there, and we had to put the highly skilled person that was cutting the kitchen at the time, really focusing on the bespoke element of their kitchen. The kitchen itself is obviously the heart of your home. MLK Kitchens have been around for 23 years, producing high-end kitchens across Ireland and the UK. So we design, we manufacture, we install for both residential sectors and commercial. It's a company that's through the years has massively grown. The MLK team themselves, I think everyone is proud to have an MLK badge on them. I know it's a bit of a cliche, but everyone that's out there really wants the best for the company. We knew moving from a panel saw to a CNC could give us a lot more productivity. It'd streamline our process, make us more efficient, and it'd actually give us a more broader range in terms of the product we can offer to the customer. In 2019, we invested in a Rover K. We have a Jade 240, a Biesse Jade 240. Through the years then we'd experienced growth, and in 2023 we went over to the Biesse factory, and there was a new machine coming out. This new machine came out like the Rover BHD, so it's a high dynamics machine. It's really efficient in terms of the speed, the accuracy, and the productivity compared to the Rover K. I'm estimating it about 30 to 40% more efficient. So we actually went ahead and purchased that in 2023. So that drastically increased our manufacturing capabilities, which in turn reduced our lead times. We've dealt with McGinn's from the early days. We've a long relationship with McGinn's. They're always at the end of the phone. They have a great support team. I think hands down they probably have the best service team in Ireland. The technical service crews themselves are very knowledgeable and are very straight, and every time they're in the factory you're always learning something new off them. With the partners they have, obviously Biesse is the leader. So Biesse really push their innovation and sort of think outside the box, and it's definitely a massive impact for the growth of the business. A huge step, and it opened us up massively back in 2019. Future plans for the business is to grow in Ireland, obviously in the UK as well, both residentially and commercially. And in terms of the customer that really wants that special kitchen, I think that's something MLK really are there to deliver. Biesse and McGinn's would help us with our growth, with our capacity expansion in terms of our manufacturing, being able to produce more kitchens in terms of machining, more CNCs. There's massive opportunities there for McGinn's and Biesse. They're thinking ahead. Their innovation is like more years down the line, more so than any other company, I personally feel.